So me and her in this lift, man. We about to go get some tools. Everything from the car so you need it? What was that? Yeah. Appreciate you. Yeah, we gotta go head to AutoZone real quick. I'm gonna try to get a little tool set. I'm gonna pull that battery out. Try to go get it tested. So, Lyft driver just came. Luckily, she let me bring her because I didn't want to leave her in the car. So yeah, that's gonna take a minute, man. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Rightly, man. Trying to see if I can find this ratchet set so I can get my battery off. And come back up here to see if they'll charge my battery for me and go from there. Let's see, I think it was up here. She ratchet set. This one is annoying. Here we go. Yeah, from this one. That was $12.99. This one's like $40. Let me get this one here. How you doing? Hi there. I think I called you earlier. Was this the one you were talking about? I called about the ratchet set? Dr. Pete. Okay. All right. I'm going to take this one. Sure. It said it was $12.99.
1406. Got your card.
I'm going to use card.
Card? All right. You got a phone number with us?
You know what? Hold on, y'all. So here we go. I got to get the battery back in this jungle. And, yeah, I guess y'all could, stick along, whatever, if you want. Golly. It's always something. Hold on. If I can get y'all in here. If I can't, then you just have to see the finished results. Looks like I might be. Alright. Test it real quick. I'm gonna get this battery in there. Metal to metal real quick. Well, as y'all can see, that bad boy came on, so that tells me there's something draining it. So gotta take it to the shop, see what they say, man. And I'm gonna go get gas first, probably go do my laundry. And yeah, y'all, see y'all in a little bit. So I'm actually at the shop right now, and it's a little crowded. It's actually later in the day. Usually when we come to the shop, we want to come in the morning. But I'm hoping that he can at least just tell me what's wrong with it. Never here nor there. I might not even be able to get it looked at today, period, because of how many people look like. I don't know. But I'm gonna try anyway. Anyway, man, if you ain't already subscribed, please subscribe, like, comment. I'm gonna go ahead and end this one right here, and I'll see y'all tomorrow probably. If not tomorrow, probably Monday with the news or what's going on.